this area is very abundant. I mean, rarely someone visits it, or maybe I am the only one who visits this area. Anyways, so what I'm gonna show you is gonna leave you speechless. I'm gonna show you a scenery of the beer garden. I mean, not of the beer garden, but from the beer garden. And in 3, 2, 1, look how beautiful it looks. Look at the mountains, the trees. Oh my god, they look even more beautiful in the sunshine. Look, I don't know, this look, once you go there you will fall. Anyways, look at this scene. And I just found this area which is very useful for smokers because it's a smoking area.